Hi everyone. So today we are going to see how we can do digital signature and store it into database. For this we are going to use a JavaScript also, and through PHP we are going to store it in our database. So first basically we needed to create folder in our WAMP server. Okay, so I will just create a new folder with the name of signatures. Now inside this folder we will keep one file of htaccess. Okay, so here is the file, and then now we will create our file. First we will I have already designed a template, so I will show you how it is looking. I will just cut from here, make it as signature. Okay, inside this folder I will create as a index.php. Saved. Okay, now let's open and see how it is looking. So localhost, yeah. So you can see here is a contract agreement and the details of a contract, and then here should be one signature pad, and then sign contract and submit it. Now for signing the contract, we needed JavaScript. Okay, where the we will design canvas. Okay, inside that canvas by pen or by fingertip or by using mouse also you can do this signature. First we will highlight our canvas border. Okay, so here I am highlighting our canvas border. Then I will give this script also in a description below or link of this script, so you can copy it. But before copying uh, copying the code, please like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so script is done. Now we have to create a form inside it. So from db bot, we'll just paste it. Now let's see how our page is looking. So if you go here, yes, so you can see here it is, please enter your name. So user will enter his name and then he can do the signature. You can see the signature over here. Now this is the clear button, which what it will clear the signature in case if user signed it the wrong signature, and if you want to clear it, then this will clear the signature, and then if it is correct, then he will click on sign contract. But if the signature canvas is a blank, then it should display error, because we don't want blank signature in our contract, so this will give as an error. This error also, if you want to modify that message, you can modify over here the message text content. Okay, I just displaying here message signature cannot be blank. So this is our HTML and JavaScript code. Now we need to code for database connection and inserting that image into our database. So for that we will create first our class. So I will create a new file. Okay, save it as our function file, function.php. Okay, now inside this file you can give any name of your file. It is not mandatory that you should give function. You can give as a class or method if you want to give by that name. Okay, now here we will define the class name, because last time we have done QR code demo, so I am taking same class. Okay, and we also needed to create database. So I will go in PHP my admin. I will log in. I will create here new database with the name of signature. Okay, and here I will create user sign table, which I will just take 10. and let us see how many columns will require. ID, this will be the primary ID. Okay, uname, which will be varchar, we will give 255, and we will mention here user name. Then second is signature. Okay, user signature. So this we will maintain as a text, because the image which we are going to store, it will be in base 64 format. So we need to make it as a text or a long text. You can choose anything. You can choose the text, or you can choose long text also. Here it is a long text. You can choose long text also. I will show you. We will select long text, no issues. And this is created date. Okay, I will mention here created date. Now created date will have date type, so I will declare it date, and it is current time span. Okay, and then I will make it as a null. So in case if anything is missing, our record will insert and we can see what is the missing. But if you want to restrict that without the username, it should not enter into our table, then just uncheck this null point. Okay, so save it. Invalid cd date. Okay, what we need to give here, we have select date and time. Yeah, so we will select date and time, because current time span, it will get date and time also. Yes, so you can see our database and table is created. Now what we need to do, we need to check what data we are getting. Okay, so we will cut this from here. We will go index file, and then we'll just copy paste our code, which will take this function. Then class name is signature. Sorry for that. And then we will create our method. Method name is insert. Okay, so we will go here again. We'll give name insert sign. Then we will remove this part, is not needed. Okay, so when user is submitting, we want to insert it. This is our insert code. We will insert our record over here. ID is not needed because it is auto increment, so it will increment as per each value. We'll enter. Then date and time also not needed. cd date we need to remove because it will be as per the record created. Only we needed username and user sign. Now here we will see what we are doing over here. Here username we are taking in uname. Okay, and then signature. Now signature we are taking into this image input type, where once anybody sign into this canvas, we are converting that image into base 64. Okay, and then we are storing it. So we will insert this one, our data, and second our image. Where is our image? Simple image. Yeah, so we are taking image also. So we will go insert. Okay. Now we are not returning anything into this. If you want, you can return the error message or anything, or success message. Currently we are not doing anything, returning error message, because just we are seeing the signature. Here name we will give test, and we will sign here as a test. I am doing it through mouse. So if you want to do, I will show you, like it will be continuous as per the signature. Now our test is signed, and let us submit and check. Okay, submitted, and browse and check, is the data inserted? Yes, one blank record is inserted. I think once we are refreshing now, that time it is inserting the data. So this we can restrict. I will show you. But before that, let's see. Yes. So see, our base 64 image, it is showing as a test. Now what happening? If it is we are refreshing, then also record is inserting. So we will put here condition if is set is equal to what is important to us. The signature is important to us. So this image is set and it is not empty. So data should not empty. Okay. If this is there, then only insert the image. Okay. So we will refresh and check if data will insert or not. It should not insert. Yeah. So it is not inserting. And now we will do second test, test 2. And here I will do some random signature. Okay. Submit the content. And we will see our record is submitted. Yes. So our both record got submitted. Now, if we want to display this one, okay, this is for signing one. Now you want to display to the admin that this many records has been generated and this many signature has been done. We will create one database. We will create one template. I will, and there we will show the signature. Okay. This is the same one which I am taking. I will give this name as a table view dot php. Here also, yeah, table view dot php. So in this table view dot php, we need to import our or include our file of function file. So we will include this file, and in this file we will, instead of insert, we are going to view it. So I will give it name as a view. Sorry, I will just write it again. Sign, view sign. Okay. And then same, we need to copy and we will give this method name as a function view. Now inside this, we will not check any conditions. We will give name as a data and we will return here return data. Okay. So data will return and then we will go here, select, we will take all record. You can show like if you want to show particular records. Okay. Then select this. Now we should get our data over here. Now for displaying data, what we need to give, we need to, yeah, already it is there. Surname, name, sign date. So is set. If it will check that our table is having some values, then it will show the data. So let us check, is it showing or not. Oh, I will just view it in another file, local host. Let's see, it should show our signature. Instead of student list, we will make it as, it is not student list, it is, what is it? It is for contract agreement. So instead of giving name over here, title name also we will change contract agreement. Contract agreement, and here sign contract list admin part. Okay. And now here our data is not displaying. Now row is equal to this one and signature. Okay, so variable names are different, but still U name is there, but it is not displaying. Let us check what is the error. Two record it is getting. So U name is there. So I think it's case sensitive. So U name is not taking. Then second is image we want to display. So we will display image over here. Okay, and fourth is created record on that date. So see date. Now we will refresh and see title change and see. See, now we can see our signature. Now we will do the last test. We will do test 3. We will sign contract over here. Z, sign contract, submitted. We will refresh it, and you can see signature third is here. Okay, so I will give this all code in a description below. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for listening. Bye.